In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps in Slack Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the app directory, how to search for what you need, and how to complete the install so the tool shows up in your Slack sidebar and is ready to use. Start by opening Slack and making sure you're on the home view of your workspace. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your channels and direct messages in the left sidebar. In that same sidebar, look for the section labeled Apps. If your sidebar is compact, you may need to scroll a bit to find it. This is where new apps will appear once you've installed them. Now, move your mouse over the word Apps in the sidebar and right-click it to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well, and on some keyboards you can hold Control and click. In the menu that appears, hover over Manage. This will reveal more options related to how apps are organized and discovered in your workspace. From those options, click Browse Apps. Slack will open the app directory, either in the main window or in your browser, and this is where you can explore everything that integrates with Slack. Think of it as a storefront for tools like calendars, project trackers, file storage, meetings, and more. Use the search bar at the top to find the specific app you want to install. You can type the app's name, like a meeting tool or a file service, or search by a task, such as polls or reminders. When you open an app's page, take a moment to read the description, what the app can do in channels or DMs, and the permissions it requests. This helps you understand how it will interact with your messages and files before you proceed. When you're ready, click the Install or Add to Slack button on the app's page. Follow the prompts that appear. You may be asked to authorize the app, confirm the workspace, or choose a channel where the app should post updates. If your workspace requires admin approval for apps, Slack will let you know and send the request automatically. Once approved, the installation will finish without you needing to repeat the process. After the install completes, return to Slack and look in the Apps section of the sidebar. Your new app should be listed there. Click it to open its home, adjust settings, and run its commands. That's all there is to it. Browse, search, and install, and your tools come right into Slack so your team can work faster without leaving the workspace.